A wise man once said, with great power comes great responsibility.
Amansec, speaker number 6.
A wise man once said, with great power comes great responsibility. The question is this: are you ready to wield such power? Are you capable of handling such a burden likened to that of Atlases of Greek mythology? Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Never has there been a time where knowledge, information, and wisdom were more accessible than right here and right now. With a simple press of a button, billions upon billions of documents, research, and ideas from the most brilliant minds spanning the globe are made readily available for our consumption. All in these tiny devices at the palm of our hands. In our human hands, this power could either be used to bring life and prosperity to our loved ones, or it could cause misery or even death to others around us. Power, unfathomable, immeasurable, uncontrollable, all in our frail, fragile, and feeble human minds and hands. Again, I ask you, are you responsible enough to wield such power? Our forefathers understood that in the wrong hands, this power of expression could cause our country to fall under another occupation or colonization. It was only by learning from their past that they could finally move forward into a brighter future. A future which we now enjoy as the free Filipinos of the Philippines. This was made manifest during the Commonwealth period of the Philippines, where, under His Excellency, the late former President Manuel L. Quezon, that the Executive Order number 134 of the year 1937 was ratified. This order proclaimed that the national language of the Philippines is to be based on the Tagalog language. You see, our countrymen understood that scattered, alone, we are powerless. But together, as a country, in unity, solidarity, we will take on future foreign powers and stomp them beneath our feet. Now, this immense force, contrary to popular belief, does not merely exist in the realms of presidents, kings, rulers, and armies. No! This power stems from you, and you, and you, from all of you, from me, from the micro and macro levels of society. Yes, from that hilarious meme you shared earlier this morning, to the tweets and Instagram posts you share online, that, ladies and gentlemen, is power. That is the freedom to express yourself however you wish, however you choose. But, just as Stephen Covey once said, while we are free to choose our actions, we are not, however, free from the consequences of said actions. Friends, to remain ignorant of this power that's cradled in our pockets is unforgivable. With the looming and inevitable threat of nuclear warfare and our lands being occupied by foreign powers, I leave you with a simple challenge. After today's affairs, will the posts you share on Facebook build bridges or burn them down? Will your tweets cause further animosity amongst friends and family, or will it restore relationships instead? Will you choose to accept this challenge of uniting our country as one? Or would you leave that decision in the hands of foreign powers? My fellow countrymen, companions, compatriots, can we overcome this challenge? To evade it or to face it? To fall divided or to stand in unity? The answer is yours, here and now.